Rick Bowman from GPC, and we've been at InterDrone for 4 years. We started in the very beginning, and we've watched the show mature over the years, and we're loving the fact that it's turning into a commercial show, industrial markets, and that's really our prime customer base at this particular point. So we're excited for the changes that have happened, and we've just had great clientele and potential clients that have come through here over the years for us.
The maturity of the companies that are exhibiting here is amazing. I've seen growth year over year that's excellent.
We launched a beta program. Our goal was to get to 100 beta users. And we started this last month, and we came into the show with about 40, 41. We're almost at 75 coming into the show right now.
You can really get the best of actually selling your products to end users, people who really understand the technology and are looking to create an ecosystem, and just getting your name and word out there. And we love coming to the show every year. We love recommending it to brands, and this year has been great for launching Doosan's products here, as well as other clients that have done everything from just being a member of a distributor's booth to having their first presence ever in the drone industry to coming to the show for the third or fourth time. So can't recommend it enough, and we're excited to be there next year.
So InterDrone 2018 has been a great show for us. It's been a busy show. We've had some great questions from prospects. And the quality of the people we've been speaking to, there's been very few tire kickers. It's been really engaged prospects who have specific questions about how they could use the drones in their particular verticals. So for us, it's been really positive.
InterDrone show has been awesome. We've seen an awful lot of different types of systems, had great conversations with a variety of end users to hardware and software designers, and it's been just a great experience so far.
InterDrone's a great show for us. We've been coming since the beginning. We always do a lot of business here.
Definitely planning on coming back next year. This is a great place to showcase the capabilities and the operations out in the commercial space, and the education track is fantastic.
This year has been great for all the projects that we brought to InterDrone. We're definitely excited for all the new things that we're going to be able to facilitate and bring here next year. Excited to come back.
So based on this year's show and knowing what we know now and what we've experienced, we definitely look to come back and continue this event.
We're absolutely looking forward to coming back next year and the year after that. I think there's been, again, just plenty of conversation that's been really, really positive and can continue to build the brand.